What's up, everybody? Alan Johnson with the AJ team. We were recently featured on MSN Money in an article that was called 7 Renovations that give you the most bang for your buck. So we were quoted for a couple of things, and I just want to share with you guys some things that if you're thinking about selling, how you can get the most out of the money that you invest in your property. First thing, the small things matter. The small things that you see, the touch-up paints, the door frames that need to be corrected, just the small things. Look around your house. If it's small and you can fix it, you should fix it. And get back to the basics. I talked about in the article getting back to the basics of just paint, carpet, making sure you refresh those things, but small things like painting your front door. Painting your front door costs $200. If you do it yourself, it's a lot less than that. But the money that you spend on painting your door, you will get out when you sell your house. Landscaping, making sure you refresh your mulch, plant seasonal flowers, and make sure that you trim shrubs. And last but not least, power washing. Power washing the side of your home, your deck, wherever it looks dingy, you guys should be thinking about power washing. So check out our feature on MSN Money, 7 renovations that get you the most bang for your buck. Alan Johnson with the AJ team, and we'll see you soon.